Hello, everyone, and thank you for tuning in. Today, we're going to be looking at Bitcoin and its latest move, nearing the peak of the last bull run of $20,000. If we want to take it, like even more in detail, the closing candle of the last peak was at 18,509 sorry 18,953 dollars. uh with that being said, we are currently above it. Congratulations, you guys. We're finally I would say, because I think candle closes are important, we are above it. We're currently trading at 9,400, and it's quite astonishing. Bitcoin defying all expectations. The last few days, when we saw all coins start to rally, we thought, at least I did, that this is going to be it. However, when we take a look at the weekly, Bitcoin dominance is still down in regards, and still shows signs of continuation to the downside. However, this could be it. Um, However, it's still quite risky at this point. When we look at previous times that Bitcoin has reached its prior all-time high, it does go above it and does retrace, um, and that could very well happen here. We could theoretically, um, we could get rejected down here. We could also move past above the all-time high to say like 21, and then come back down, and then come back up, and then finally make it support and move on. However, this doesn't change my overall view on altcoins. Yes, altcoins are down pretty badly. Chainlink's down 4%, Ethereum's down 6%. However, when you flip it to there, like, we're still above the falling wedge patterns on both Ethereum and on Chainlink. It doesn't look as good as it was yesterday, but we're still above it. Cardano still has much of its gains prior. XRP is another one that's still above its gains. Um, Binance Coin is still above its gains. Like, these altcoins, yes, they're taking a pretty heavy beating right now, but they're still up than they were a few days ago, which is the important part. They have not lost all of their gains, so hope is still there. And uh, the most important thing, I think, uh, and we briefly talked about this yesterday in terms of the Bitcoin dominance, where uh, in order for this to start happening, Bitcoin needs to reach the prior all time high and make it support. And yesterday we were close. Today, that reality becomes more and more of a reality, because we're finally above it, and now we are in that realm of possibility that this could be it. So what am I, what would people be doing? What am I doing in anticipation to this? Well, the theory that all coins are still going to rally, I think, is, a larger reality now than yesterday. Like, I still believe that, and I'm still confident that's going to happen. If anything, um, uh, you could start. I could start taking it at a discount, maybe not down from here, but a discount nonetheless. And the stronger my Bitcoin positions become, the more I'm going to slowly shift through uh, the the positions in Bitcoin into altcoins. So uh, at the moment right now, I'm going to, I mean, after this video, I'm going to transfer some funds from my hardware wallet to my trading account, and have that money ready. If this continues to go up, then I'm gonna start buying more of my altcoin positions, and maybe even open up a few more. However, I don't want to open up too many altcoin positions. If anything, I'd want to add more to what I have in terms of Chainlink, for example, as well as Uniswap. I know Uniswap, I said that I wouldn't buy any more from this level, but I'm still keeping an eye on Uniswap. This could be just another reaccumulation phase from here, where it comes down at this level. So that would be a great time to start accumulating Uniswap. But we'll see, um, especially if Bitcoin is this close. And when I say this close, like we're already there. But the key factor is that we hold it as support, much like as we did in the previous time, where you could see that the line here, Bitcoin went up, came back down, and made its support and continued to rally. That was the trigger moment for altcoins to start going bonkers. And regardless if uh, Uniswap is here or a little down right under my line, I think is negligible to the fact that I anticipate Uniswap is going to go bonkers as well. And I'm fairly confident it's going to be above this wick line without a doubt. Um, or at least that's what I think, and that's what I'm expecting of Uniswap. Chainlink is the same thing. I expect it if Bitcoin decides to go past and make it support. I expect Chainlink, Ethereum, Uniswap, Basic Attention Token, uh, maybe Celsius. Celsius is still doing really well, but it seems to be the exponential rallies seem to be waning. So we might kind of taper off here. And Celsius has been kind of like doing its own thing. When this rally happened, no other altcoin was really rallying with it. It was kind of by itself when doing that. So that's something to keep in mind as well. Um, at this point, I am now considering XRP. Yes, I know how high it's gone, but I was waiting for Bitcoin to reach its all-time high and potentially make its support. Um, and if Bitcoin stays at this level and closes the week above that level, then I'm going to be keeping a close eye on XRP and Litecoin to make a decision on, well, how far away am I from my buy region, which is about 30%. So XRP might be a little difficult, but Litecoin is fairly close. We're only 4% away from this buy region here. And if Bitcoin has another hurrah like it did today of a 5% rally on the day, um, and does another 5 to 8%, altcoins are still going to bleed, and that might be just enough for at least Litecoin to for me to buy some more. But at the moment, I am watching the charts like a hawk. This is really exciting. Yes, altcoins are down, but it's really just prolonging the inevitable, in my honest opinion. Um, uh, the show is still on Bitcoin and has been for the past few weeks, and my narrative hasn't changed. The stronger Bitcoin gets, the more I'm inclined to pool my resources back into altcoins, um, because they're bleeding against Bitcoin. And yes, it's a risk of catching a falling knife, but I'm confident that altcoins will rally harder than Bitcoin. Um, Either now in a few weeks, or when in a few weeks when Bitcoin finally makes it to its local peak and comes back down and tests the last all-time highest support. At that point, I've probably accumulated more altcoins than what I have right now. But this is really exciting, you guys. This might be it. We're definitely like ahead of schedule in my opinion. It seems like this happened way too quickly, which is why I'm more inclined that it might crash back down to the 20-week moving average, or at least closer to it. But hey, um, I'm not one to argue if Bitcoin wants to do the opposite. We benefit either way. But that's essentially what I wanted to talk to you guys about today. Congratulations to getting that much closer to the all-time high and making it a reality. Uh, remember to like the video and subscribe. I will see you next time. Take care.